Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a short, quick one. I just want to do some updates on a couple things. First off, before I forget, I'm going to forget if I don't get it out at the beginning. Tomorrow is going to be a live stream, 10 o'clock a.m. Mountain Standard Time. We're going to be drawing, painting, answering questions. So be sure to show up to that. It's pretty fun. We've only done 2 of them so far, but I really enjoy them. I like talking to you guys and getting to know some of my followers. On top of that, quick update on my course. The Ultimate Guide to Painting Everything, which is going to be as much stuff as I can fit into one course on how to basically paint everything I could think of. A bunch of different textures, substances, objects, just as much stuff as I could think of. So that will be a really good one, and it was originally going to be released in November, but as I started working on it, I came up with more and more stuff that I wanted to add, and it got bigger and bigger and bigger, and now it's looking like it's going to be 20 or more hours worth of finished edited content. And usually when I film a lecture, I end up cutting a lot of stuff or speeding a lot of stuff up so that you don't have to watch the whole thing, which means twice as much, if not more, hours of actual filming plus editing. So it's gonna take me a while, and I'm thinking the release date is now gonna be probably in February. That's what I'm aiming for. So with that being said, I just wanted to give you some update. The videos I've been posting the last couple of weeks are actually clips from it to give you an idea of what it's gonna be like. The glossy metal, the iron, the gold, all that stuff, those are just some of the metals and stuff that I was teaching in the course, and those are all gonna be included along with dozens and dozens and dozens of other things that I'm going to be teaching as well. So if you find those useful, that's going to be pretty much the consistency of the whole course, is painting and showing you how to do stuff in that style of a tutorial. So check that out when it comes out, and I will keep you guys posted and updated. The other thing is that I am getting ready to launch a Patreon. I've been really grateful for all the support you guys have shown me, all the comments, the likes, the shares. You guys are really awesome, and it's been really fulfilling to see so many people find value in what I put out there and be able to learn and grow as artists. I really enjoy that. And I want a way to create a more tight-knit community, and also a way for me to get compensated so I can put more time into this, because I'd like to make YouTube even more of like a full-time sort of gig creating this content. So that being said, I have some ideas for patron rewards, but I also wanted to hear from you what you thought you would be interested in, what you would like to see. The ones that I have would be, one, creating PDF files and Photoshop documents for all of the videos that I put on YouTube that are tutorials. So you can see the layered files, and then a PDF detailing instructions on how to do that kind of complements and goes along with the video. So I think that would be really cool, and I think that a lot of people would find that useful. That was one idea. Another idea that I think I'm going to add is make it so that if you pledge to a certain tier, you will have access to all of my Udemy courses, that you can access any of those for free. I guess not free if you're donating through Patreon, but access to any of my courses, and whenever a new one comes out, I'll put that on there as well, just as a thank you. So those are kind of the 2 big ones I had that I thought people would really enjoy, and that they would get value out of, that would really be something worth to them. And for those of you who don't know what Patreon is a platform where you can donate money to your favorite content creators as a way of showing support. The content, whether you donate or not, is still free. I'm still going to put out YouTube videos. You'll still be able to watch them. It's just a way to show your gratitude and support, and to help me keep doing what I'm doing. So anyways, that being said, let me know in the comments, what sort of things would you find valuable, interesting, useful, cool Patreon rewards. And then tomorrow in the live stream, we'll probably talk about that as well. I'll bring it up and get some feedback from you guys, what you think. So yeah, stay tuned for my next course. It's coming along. It's going to be really awesome. And once again, I just really can't overstate it. I am so grateful for you guys, and it really feels so good to get emails from people or Udemy students messages where I see their work from the beginning to the end and how they've improved, and when they tell me what things they learned from either my course videos or YouTube videos, or even the motivational videos I try and do where we do artist pep talks, where they tell me, you know, that they felt like it was speaking to them, or that it helped them get out of a rough spot. That is really fulfilling and satisfying, and I'm so honored to be a part of your progress as an artist and as a person, or in whatever way I help you. So once again, I'm super grateful. It's not taken for granted. And yeah, I can't wait for tomorrow's live stream. Hope you guys show up. I'll see you there once again, 10 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. and we'll be answering questions and talking about fun stuff. So that is it for today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.